Hello, Internet, and welcome to Ben and Spare Show Theory, the show that only does theories on the hit indie show, The Ben and Spare Show. Now, I've been rewatching The Ben and Spare Show recently, and I've begun to notice a few weird details, such as Ben saying $5,000 instead of $10,000 like the TV said in episode 3, or Ben having sex with a literal potato and having a kid with it. But what put me the most off was Spare's potion. He says it's called the Lagoon Magic Mana Mushroom from Zanzibar. Now, this seems like a made-up thing at first, but the more I began to uncover the true nature of this show, I learned what secrets had been hiding behind the curtains the whole time. Today, we are going to be uncovering the secrets behind the Ben and Spare Show, and how the entire show might have not been what we thought. Let's start with the mushroom. Going back to what Spare said, it's called the Blue Lagoon Magic Mana Mushroom from Zanzibar. What's interesting here is that Zanzibar is a real place in the African islands, though it doesn't have any natural blue mushrooms. What can lower the amount of possible mushrooms is what happens to the Ben and Spare immediately after drinking the potion with it. They immediately pass out and are teleported. There's only one mushroom so strong they can make two people go unconscious almost immediately. That's right. Magic mushrooms, aka drugs. Now, viewer, you might be thinking, that makes no sense. Magic mushrooms aren't even blue. But what you don't know is that lots of mushrooms, including magic mushrooms, turn blue after being picked. What further proves is the climate of Zanzibar. Zanzibar is very hot due to being in the African islands, and conveniently, magic mushrooms need a hot climate to be able to grow. Now, I was thinking of ending the theory here, but then I realized something much deeper than just the mushroom type when I watched the last episode of the Spare and Ben show. The new character, Lemony, is introduced and has zero reaction to what Impending Doom has just done. In fact, we don't see any character acknowledge what Impending Doom just did to the world. So what if it never really happened? As you might be familiar with, magic mushrooms have a very strong hallucination effects. Strong enough to make two people who have never been exposed to the mushroom have extreme and heavy hallucinations. This brings me to the ultimate reveal of this theory. The Ben and Spare Show was a hallucination caused by Ben and Spare taking magic mushrooms and passing out. It would explain why Ben and Spare wake up, they're in the same position and place they passed out in, and why nobody mentions what the Impending Doom did. But hey, that's just a theory. A Spare and Ben theory. Thanks for watching.